Hello viewers, I am Dr. Sumina Reddy, Chief Fertility Consultant and Laparoscopic Surgeon at Fertilica IVF, Hyderabad. In all the previous videos, we have spoken in detail about endometriosis and how to recognize it. Now let us see how we treat endometriosis. Unfortunately, there is no permanent cure for endometriosis. We can suppress the endometriosis for time being and keep it under control. There are a number of ways to do it, starting from medicines. So the medical management of endometriosis starts with simple painkillers or NSAIDs which reduce the inflammation and keep the pain under control. The next step of treatment are birth control pills or combined oral contraceptive pills. These pills provide a low dose of estrogen and progesterone throughout the cycle and prevent the ovulation from happening, which in turn reduces the endometriosis pain and severity. The next group of medicines are progesterone pills or progesterone tablets, something like Dynogest, which suppresses. We all know that endometriosis is estrogen dominant condition, so giving a continuous progesterone tablet will keep endometriosis under control. Progesterone can also be provided in the form of an intrauterine contraceptive device or intrauterine device. There are number of brands available for it. This small device is placed into your womb or uterus, from where it continuously releases progesterone, keeping endometriosis under control. There are some injections like GnRH agonist injections, that is Leupride and other medicines, which can be given as a once in a month injection. These injections suppress all the hormones, causing a pseudo-menopause kind of condition, which in turn suppresses the endometriosis and keeps symptoms under control. But if the condition is severely painful, then surgical methods need to be tried. This includes laparoscopy and complete clearance of endometriotic tissue. In some conditions where the woman or the couple face problems of infertility, IVF might be the solution in achieving pregnancy at the earliest. So the treatment for endometriosis mainly depends on the symptoms and what is expected. So it could include medicines or surgery or IVF, and proper treatment will be advised to you by your doctor. Thank you for watching. Thank you.